Okay. So, good day, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, wherever you're watching me from. All right, it's amazing having you guys here. Okay, as always, it's a beautiful moment once again. Today we're going to be trading the CPI news release. All right, and as you know, my name is Ad. The fact that the news is specifically about the dollar does not mean that it would not have impacts across all the other pairs, all right, or all the other commodities. Are you with me? That's why if the quality on your end is not good, you can just go to the settings of the video and increase the video settings from your end, okay? Just increase the video settings from your end so that it can become a lot clearer. And for those of you who want me to zoom in on the charts, please relax. All right, we're going to talk about the figures for your entries, your exits, and all of that. Okay, but for now, do listen to me first of all. Okay, please hear what I have to say first of all. So as I was saying, all right, the fact that what we're expecting is news for the dollar does not mean that the impact of this news is not going to be far-reaching, even into as many as all other commodities. Okay, as much as more all other commodities. Now, for that reason, I would advise that even if you have trades open right now on any other commodity that might be jeopardized because of the news, all right, it would be safer if you close them right now. Okay, say peradventure you are trading maybe GBP CHF, all right, or CAD CHF, for example. The fact that there's a news release for the dollar means that that news impact might go as far as reaching even your card trades. Okay, might go as far as reaching even your card trades. So you don't want to leave such trades open and just languishing because they might end up coming back to eat your stop loss. Okay, so please ensure that your risk management is on point. If you have trades open that you are not very sure about on other commodities, please do close them as soon as possible before the news release, that is. So for this afternoon, I have marked out a couple of positions. Okay, I've marked out a couple of positions that we're going to be looking into shortly. All right, so the first one is the Euro USD. But let me start by saying that my expectation is that the dollar would get weaker. Okay, that's my expectation from a technical point of view. All right, from a technical point of view. However, if I also look at it some other way on the 15 minutes time frame of the dollar, okay, you would also see that there's a QMR that is waiting to be triggered. Okay, so from the higher time frame, the 1 hour time frame, um, dollar dollar has been bearish. All right, started yesterday, but from what I am seeing on the 15 minutes time frame of the DXY, all right, it shows that there's a huge possibility that the dollar becomes stronger. Okay, so we might end up seeing Euro USD, GBP USD, gold, all right, we might end up seeing them turn bearish. Okay, so that is a very likely scenario. So as you can see, Euro USD already broke out of my initial position. I'm just going to have to position this along this line. All right. So as I was saying, all right, if the dollar becomes weaker, okay, it means that we're looking to buy GBP USD, Euro USD, and gold, all right, even AUD USD. But from what I'm seeing again, all right, I have reason to exercise more caution. Okay, I have reason to exercise caution because it's looking like the dollar might become stronger. Okay, that's typically what it's looking like on my end here. All right, so based on that, we're just going to wait to see the zones that price might likely want to check into. All right, and then based on those zones, would establish a more concrete expectation for USD, okay, for the dollar. Okay, so let's see how that goes. So I have my zones marked out, okay. This is supposed to be an order block on the 1 hour time frame, right? This point here, that's supposed to be a supply zone, but we're going to wait to see if price would react from that level. Remember, like I said, recent sightings, all right, what I've seen from the recent price action on dollar suggests that the dollar wants to recover its strength, all right, possibly to reach some new highs. And if you have the dollar chart, you can quickly check to confirm that from the daily time frame and the 1 hour time frame. All right. However, on the 1 hour time frame, I am seeing a pattern that looks very much like what's it called now? That looks very much like a QMR pattern. Okay, so that is why my expectation is not really solid at the moment. Okay, and remember, I have mentioned before that in times like this, okay, remember I've mentioned before that in times like this, when the technical analysis is not expressly clear, okay, when the direction from the technical analysis is not 100% clear, it is only wise that anyone that is going to take such trades, it is only wise that you pay attention to what is going on. All right, so follow what the price does when the news gets released. Do you get what I'm saying now? When matters arise like this and your sentiment is not very clear, I've mentioned it several times that it is only wise that you wait for the news release, all right, and then based on the news release, you can place your entries, all right? Okay. All right. So Simon, hello. Everyone saying hello in the chat box in the comment section. Hello. I can see you guys, and I'm saying hello to you. Okay. What are the technical tools that I use to predict the news? Well, basically, I use pure price action. All right, I use pure price action. That's what I use. Pure price action, then I use pure price action to locate my demand, supply, all of those other crucial levels that I need for my trades. Okay. So based on that, I'm going to be taking questions from a couple of you. All right. In the next 10 minutes, we're going to go back to the charts and then look at what price is doing once more. Okay. So right now we're going to be taking questions. So I want to hear from you guys. What exactly is that one question that has been on your mind for a while? My eyes are on the chat box right now. So if you have a question, please do type it in the comment section. Okay, let me quickly crack a joke. All right. I'm seeing a comment right now from XAUUSD Pro Master. All right. I'm seeing a text now from Gold Pro Master asking for signals for gold. For me, that's pretty funny because if you are the master, I should be coming to you with signals. All right. But why am I saying this? I'm saying this because moments like this are the periods where many people become confused. All right. If you know or if you have your sentiments already in place, there's nothing that should stop you from trading your sentiment. All right. Okay. So Precious Oni is asking, how long does it take a person to understand trading? All right. How long does it take a person to understand trading? So let me say the duration depends, all right? There are personal differences that determine how quickly or slowly a person can master trading, okay? So for some people, it can take as short as 3 months, all right? And it depends also on the quality of the tutor that you have, okay? If you have a very solid and, spot on tutor, it could take between 3 months to a year, all right. But if you have a very lackadaisical tutor, it could take as much as 3 years. Okay. So that is my answer to your question regarding how long does it take to master trading. Okay. So somebody else is asking, what exactly is CPI? All right. So my answer to that is CPI is simply short for Consumer Price Index. Okay, and Consumer Price Index is that data that measures the increase or decrease in consumer goods and services for a particular period of time. Okay, the one that we are trading right now today is the CPI from January. Okay, the measure of the difference in prices of goods and services for the month of January. All right. So CPI is basically that data that tells us, was there an increase in the consumer cost? Okay, because when people have to spend more to buy things, it means that a lot of them are going to be unwilling to buy those things, okay, as a result of the cost. So that is the explanation of what CPI is. How can you scale through in the Forex industry, as this is my second year and it's not easy? Let me quickly say that scaling through in the Forex market or in the financial market, you cannot do it alone, all right? You're always going to need a mentor. You're always going to need a guardian. You're always going to need somebody to put you through, all right? And that's why here at FBS, we have sessions like this. We also have educational webinars. We have a host of services that we provide specifically to help you master your journey a bit quicker. All right. But if you want something that is more consistent, my advice would be that you get yourself a mentor. All right. So somebody is asking, Elkanah is asking, do we wait until the news release in order to trade? Yes. The current pattern of trading that I employ, all right, I currently trade straddle trading when the news is released. So I have a straddle trading system that I employ when the news is released. And what this does is that it gives me a much better or much safer entry, all right, so that I don't end up chasing the news before it is released. Okay. I have been following signals from my mentor and I mostly take losses. Is it okay to leave my mentor? Let me quickly say that if that is what you've been doing right now, you've been taking trades from your mentor and losing those trades, it's safe to say that your mentor is not your mentor, right? It's safe to say that he's your predator, not your mentor, because he is eating off of you and getting fat, all right, and making money, but you are not, all right? So please do change your mentor. How do I know from news if it will be bullish or bearish? I don't know from the news. I simply look at what's going on the chart. All right. And based on what is going on the chart, I know what is happening. So guys, for those of you who are asking for help, or I would need signals, if you click on the link in the chat section right now, all right, and based on that link, you create an account with us at FBS, all right, you're going to get 30 days of free signals from FBS, all right, 30 days of free signals from FBS. All right, somebody's asking what time frame do I use? The time frame I use is the 1 hour time frame, and I use that for my straddle trading strategy. All right. So that's basically it. All right. Like I said, my name is Adetola-Freeman. So you can easily go to our Instagram page, the FBS Forex Instagram page. All right. Whatever comments or questions you have, please do engage with us better. All right, Norbert, you're asking how can you get a mentor? The answer is simple. Be willing to pay for a mentor. Do your research about that particular person and be sure that they are profitable, all right, or that they know how to teach and help you become profitable. So we're going to go back into the charts right now. Questions and answer session is over. So let's get back into the chart. So this is it from the chart for me, all right, and I think that we're going to place our buy stop order for Euro USD. All right, our buy stop order is at 1.07993. All right, 1.07993. Our TP1 is 1.08055. 1.08055 is our TP1 on Euro USD. Then our TP2 is 1.08109 on Euro USD. Then our TP3 is 1.08166 on Euro USD. Then for our sell stop on Euro USD, our sell stop is going to be placed at, let me see if we can place our sell stop here. 1.07804, all right, 1.07804, that's our pending order for the sell. TP1 is 1.07734. 1.07734. All right. TP2 for Euro USD sell stop is 1.07676. All right. Or you can simply just wait to see when price touches these lines on my own chart and then close your trade. TP3 on Euro USD sell stop is 1.07624. Okay, then final TP is 1.07568. GBP USD, all right, GBP USD, our buy stop order is at 1.26912. All right, GBP USD buy stop 1.26912. TP1 is 1.27054. All right, 1.27054. TP2 is 1.27187. All right, 1.27187. Then TP3 is 1.27321. All right, 1.27321. Okay. So those are the TPs on GBP USD for the buy stop. For the sell stop order, our sell stop is placed at 1.26521. All right, 1.26521. That's our sell stop. TP1 for the sell stop is 1.26308. All right, 1.26308. TP2 is 1.26112. All right, 1.26112 is our TP2 for the sell stop. And our final TP for the sell stop order is 1.25951. All right, 1.25951. Okay, so for gold, all right, let me see if I can write this out, because I can see that a lot of you have been asking for that. Buy stop on gold 2032. All right, TP1 is 2035.08. All right, TP1 is 2035.08. TP2 for the buy is 2038.29. $2038.29. Then the final one is 2041.36. Then up next, we have the sell stop. All right. Sell stop at, let's use, 2025.51. All right. TP1 is 2022.90. um, 2022.90, TP2, 2019.83. All right, TP3 is 2016.35. Final TP is 2012.61. All right, so those are the TPs on gold. Let me see if we can do the same for AUD USD. $0.65382. All right, TP1 is 0.65453. All right, TP2 is 0.65520. All right, TP3 is 0.65591. All right, so let's move over to sell stop. Our sell stop order is at 0.65252. Right, TP1 is 0.65203. TP2 is 0.65144. TP3 is 0.65086. Final TP is 0.65019. All right, so that is for AUD USD. I don't think we have enough time to write for Euro USD and GBP USD as well. All right, but you can just follow the figures on my screen. All right, Clasia Elvis, you're asking how do I place several take profits? Well, the way I do that is to not place the take profits. All right, I just have it as a mental take profit so that when price gets there, I can exit the trade. All right, I can leave the trade and close the trade by myself. Okay, so that's how I do it. It's not like, oh, the several take profits are set up on my chart. No. Okay, I wait for price to get to any one of them that I want to exit from. All right, and once price gets there, I exit the market. Remember, I said that there's a very huge possibility that dollar gets stronger. Okay, and I also said that for those of you who are still struggling with directional analysis or knowing whether to buy or sell, okay, if you click the link in the comment section right now, all right, and you create an account with us, okay, turning off your ad blocker, you are guaranteed to get 30 days VIP analytics. All right, and our analytics are as good as to provide you access to signals, all right, trading signals. So don't miss out on it. Click the link in the description, all right, click the link in the chat image, all right, and create your account right now. I believe that the figures for gold are already on the screen. These are the figures for gold. All right, you can set things up using your own discretion. But like I said, I am expecting all of these commodities to get weaker. All right, because for me, gold is dollar is about to get stronger. All right, at least that's what I am seeing on my chart. So 1 minute to go. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let's see what happens here. 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute and the truth will be revealed. Gold, I have already put up the figures for gold on the screen. These are the figures for gold. All right, these are the figures for gold. Fantastic. Can you see that? Gold, we have TP1, we have TP2 already. Let me see, Euro USD, all our TP is taken. GBP USD TP3 already. GBP USD TP3. Gold TP2, AUD USD, all our take profits taken already. Your sell stop must have been activated if you took this trade. GBP USD, we are waiting for the final TP. All right, we're waiting for the final TP on GBP USD and gold. All right. So, guys, are you making money? Are you making money? Talk to me, guys. Talk to me, guys. Talk to me, guys. Are you making money tonight? Talk to me, people. Talk to me, people. Are you making money? Are you making money? TP3 on GBP USD. All take profits taken on Euro USD. All take profits on AUD USD as well. Is this looking like it? Is this looking like it? Are you making some good money for yourself, guys? All right, all right, all right. Talk to me, guys. How much have you made? How much have you made? Which means that if you're still open on GBP on Euro USD, all right, you can close your trade on Euro USD and AUD USD right now, since all our take profits have been taken. All right. On your gold trade, you can also move your stop loss to your entry. All right, stop loss to break even on gold. GBP USD stop loss to break even as well, even as price approaches our final take profit. Is this amazing? Is this amazing, guys? Talk to me. How much have you guys made? How much have you made, guys? I want to see. Gold is approaching our TP3, then we'll have our TP4. All right. And the reason why that is because that's how stars do. Okay. Remember, I told you guys that I was seeing some degree of strength coming in for the dollar. All right. And there you have it. This is the strength that I was talking about. So there you have it, gold at TP3. We're waiting for the final TP right now. Gold at TP3, we're waiting for the final TP. GBP USD has gotten to our final TP. And oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Gold is at TP3. We're waiting one more take profit to go, just one more take profit to go. All right, like I said earlier, XAUSD Gold, XAUSD Pro Master, I don't see a reason why you're saying that the signal is fake or the analysis is fake. It was a live session. We are all here, all right? And this is what we're doing. No, Ollie, it is impossible that your buy stop could have gotten it. It is absolutely blatantly impossible for that to have happened. All right, Black Hat says gold is bearish. Well, we're yet to see that, but I think we have a final take profit. John Mutiso made $540. That's fantastic, beautiful. No auto invest. I'm sorry your orders were not activated. I'm sure you'd have made some good profit if they had been activated. All right, $2,000, fantastic. This is gold right here. This is gold right here. Oh, okay, you're saying your buy stop got activated on gold. I see, I see, I see. That was a whipsaw. Sorry about that. If gold was the only trade you took, I'm really sorry about that. However, like I said, my bias was heavily bearish, heavily bearish. All right. So I'm sorry if you lost that trade on gold, but we had 3 other trades that would have fetched you much more profit. All right. Ample profits for that matter. Yes, like I said, the spread on some accounts would have made your trades get activated or not get activated. At the same time, when gold got to this point here, all right, the buy stop orders were triggered, all right, and I'm sorry about that for some of you who gold was the only trade that you took. But I deliberately gave us 4 entries, all right, 4 positions, and 3 of those trades hit all the take profits that were set, including gold, all right. But unfortunately, some of us took only the buy trade. This was my analysis on gold, and it was perfect perfect to a fault. All right, made $600. That's lovely. Your broker didn't open your sell stop. I'm sorry about that, Teddy. All right, Pascal, you didn't trade today. All right, that's good. Murapedi, your buy stop got activated. I'm guessing that that was on gold. And if that was the only trade you took today, I'm really sorry about that. My sentiment was that dollar was going to get weaker. So absolutely, absolutely, there was no reason for me to have even placed a buy stop order in the first place. Okay, let me show you. Keep your responses coming, please. I want to see those among us who were able to make some profit or not. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming, guys. I'm following. So I remember a few seconds to the release of the news, I opened trades on my own account. All right, on my own account, and I'm going to show you those trades so that some of you will understand that this was done live. All right, can you see? These are all the trades, and I'm going to close them right now. All right, I just did. And I did that because I wanted to make it absolutely clear. All right, I wanted to be able to make it absolutely clear that this was not it wasn't a trick. All right, it wasn't some Ponzi, it wasn't some kind of pretense. Okay. All right, I passed my phase one on a prop firm account thanks to gold. Oh, thank you for that. Late entry on gold, but still in profit. Why is it that most of my orders was triggered? Well, I think there was a bit of a whipsaw movement on gold. All right, absolutely nobody's fault. It was just the market doing its thing. All right, it was just the market doing its thing. So I'm sorry about that. My confluence for my analysis, I only use that based on my own price action trading system. All right, I have my own strategy that I place trades based on. All right, and it works really, really lovely for me. It's been working for over 5 years. All right, Adetola-Freeman, you said you lost some money. I'm sorry about that, but I think that even if you had used proper risk management, you wouldn't have experienced this because there was a buy stop, there was a sell stop, and somehow your trade would have been edged. All right, your trade would have been edged, a bit fairly, such that you wouldn't have lost too much. All right, but that's just what it is at the moment. So made 1-2 on gold, made 300 on US 30, made okay, and Nasdaq, all my own TPs eat $900 profit. Fantastic. I'm glad to hear that, Daniel Mabina. All right, I'm really glad to hear that. There was nothing stronger about gold. This is gold. Gold is not stronger. Can't you see that? This is gold. Gold is dropping. This is our final TP on gold, and gold already eats that final take profit on gold. So that's just basically what it is. So let me see, let me see, let me see. Who else made some money? Couldn't make any money. I'm sorry about that. This is trading. Like I always say, this is trading. And the move that eats your buy stop was a whipsaw. It happened some seconds before the news. Okay, it happened some seconds before the news. So it's absolutely nobody's fault. Okay, sorry about that, but this is the market. Okay, who else? Who else? Who else? Okay, Timothy says this was his first time trading on the news. All right, and he made $20 from a $5 account. John Mutiso, what's next in terms of strength for the dollar? I think the dollar is still quite strong. All right, so that's basically it. USD card, is USD card going to drop? I wouldn't bank on it. I wouldn't bank on it because currently dollar is strong, real strong. All right, you can see this is AUD USD, see all the way. This is gold, all the way broken through all our take profits. GBP USD broken through all the way, our final take profits. And this is Euro USD, you can see all the way. All right, so this is how I trade, okay? Joined the live stream late, but was able to get $150 with XAU USD at the last TP. Fantastic, that's lovely. Congratulations, Hillary. Will gold drop more? I wouldn't advise it since gold has already reached our own final take profit. All right, gold has gotten to my own final take profit, so I really wouldn't bother myself about whatever it is that gold wants to do next. All right, Motar, you're welcome. Who else? Who else made some money? I just want to see that a few other people made some money, and then we're going to close today's session. Any other person made money? Any other person? All right. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for joining this live session today. It's been a whole lot of fun with you guys, and I'm really, really excited to have had you guys here. Nick, you're saying, do I only trade from the CPI news or do I trade by analysis? I trade either ways, all right? When there's news, I trade. When there's high impact news like CPI, NFP, I trade them, all right? And then sometimes I also trade um, based on my technical analysis when there are no high impact news, all right? So that's typically my own system of trading, okay? All right. So basically, thank you so much, guys, for joining today's stream. It's been an absolute pleasure working with you guys. Um, so thank you guys for joining. Don't forget, if you do not have an account and you would love to, you know, take trades, have signals that can direct you on what to sell or buy in the market, you can click the link in the comment section or I create an account with FBS and you instantly get access to 30 days of VIP analysis, all right, by just clicking that link and creating your account. Fernando, congratulations, you made $270. Thank you so much, guys, once again. Um, you can always, you know, watch these sessions again to learn more about straddle trading strategy. All right. You can go through all of our live broadcasts from the news, especially the ones that I've anchored. You'll get to learn a lot about straddle trading strategy from there. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me. God bless you and have a fantastic rest of the trading day. Bye-bye, and see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.